56 Leonard Street, known colloquially as the Jenga Building or Jenga Tower, is an 821 ft tall, 250 meters, 57-story skyscraper on Leonard Street in the neighborhood of Tribeca in Manhattan, New York City. The building was designed by the Swiss architecture firm Herzog & de Meuron, which describes the building as houses stacked in the sky. It is the tallest structure in Tribeca. The building has 145 condominium residences priced between $3.5 million and $50 million. Residences range in size from 1,418 to 6,400 square feet, 131.7 to 594.6 meters too, and include 2 to 5 bedrooms, all with private outdoor spaces. As of May 2013, 70% of the building had sold. According to building developer Isaac Senbahar, the building was 92% sold in 7 months. In June 2013, a penthouse at 56 Leonard went into contract for $47 million, making it the most expensive residential property ever sold below Midtown Manhattan. The building was completed in 2017.